Hey guys, I'm gonna play some Refto Drift. My record's 235, but I think I can beat that. Okay, let's see. We each get 3 attempts, then it's my dad's turn. Okay. Second try. So after 3 tries, my dad goes. But it's really hard because right, then I figured it out. So so when it's going down, you had to turn and then go and go and then go. And sometimes go. Hey guys, it's right now. It's my dad's turn. Let's see who's better, me or my dad. Dad! Which I'm the only one that actually got the record. My dad's pretty good at it. So. Yes! 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 Go! 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 Yes! 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 No!